All units, I got a suspect heading at a high rate speed, heading northbound, black Mustang.
10-4. I think it's from note in the log that I'm going to be leaving a note.
Where do we even start? We finally did it. We got the replacement car for the channel. We're replacing the RS with a Roush of all things. So I'm kind of speechless, to be honest. I don't even know where to start. I came about this car. I was actually in the market for a regular GT, believe it or not. I was looking at buying a 10-speed. I had my eye on it for a minute. The price was good, and then all of a sudden the price went up like $8,000. I'm like, well, I'm just not going to pay that much for it. If I could get it for the previous price that it was listed at, I was going to pick it up. So I started looking at different cars. I started exploring different options. I've been eyeing this Evo 8, or Evo 9 I should say, with an Evo 8 drivetrain for quite some time now. It's been on the channel before. It gapped my RS bad. That car made 956 wheel when it got fully built. It had a fully built block, fully built trans. If I'm not mistaken, it had an upgraded power or PTU transfer case, whatever you want to call it. It had obviously upgraded turbos. Everything was built on that car. The engine and the trans had less than 3,000 miles on it. And overall, it was a great platform, something that I was definitely interested in purchasing. But here's the downside of purchasing that's something that's already built. There's no content for you guys. It's not my own. There was a few cosmetic things that I could have changed that would have made the car look better. I could have did a wide body kit. But besides that, it's just not my own car. So I decided not to purchase that, even though it was a steal of a deal. Like, honestly, I was really considering it because of the price that he was getting rid of it. So from there, I started looking at Evo 10s. I found one out of state for a great price. It was a final edition, only 13,000 miles on it. And then this came up. And I was like, you know what, I just can't pass this deal up. With everything going on right now with COVID, 0% interest, tax events, everything else, I came out with a great deal on this car. A little backstory on this car. I took the RS in for service at this dealership where I purchased this car almost 2 years ago, and they were taking delivery of this car. And I thought to myself, well, I would love to own that car one day, or a car similar. Never did I think it would be this same exact car. But it turns out that it was. This car had been sitting at the dealership for almost 2 years to the day when I had picked it up. I'm just at a loss for words. Just give me a minute. Anyhow, I came across this deal, and you know what, for the price difference over a regular GT, there was no way that I was going to pass up this deal. The price had gone down so much, you know, it was pretty much the last 2019 Mustang GT, technically, in all of California. So I jumped all over this, and I called them. I'm like, you know what, let's get pre-qualified. Let's get this deal going. And the next day I came and picked it up pretty much. I was definitely happy with the experience there at Lithia Ford. They treated me well, like they always do. This is I bought the RS there, and now I bought this there. And every time I've been there, they've treated me great. So I definitely recommend you checking them out if you're in the area. So there's only a few things that I would like to do to this car right away. One of them being the American flags in the back. I just don't like how they look. So I'm gonna remove that, have the car completely ceramic coated, do a few carbon fiber bits, maybe a carbon fiber steering wheel, maybe a hood, change the wheels up, definitely get a new exhaust because, well, that just doesn't do the car any justice. Carbon fiber side skirts, diffuser, maybe a rear wing, who knows. Anyhow, I'm definitely enjoying the car. Right now, I have about 600 miles on it. I've had the car for about a full week now. So another thing that I'm going to be removing on the car is the Roush banner. I think it has to go. I don't like how it looks. It takes away from the overall look of the car, I believe. But besides that, the windows are tinted already, so there will be a video coming out in the near future of the process that we went through to get that done. A lot of the videos that are going to be coming out in the next coming weeks have been already recorded. I've had the car over a week already as I am filming this video right now. I already have 600 miles on the car, but I couldn't release the video right away because I had to get this intro done. You guys haven't even seen the intro yet, so you'll see that within the next couple of videos. And I had to, of course, get the reveal done, which turned out absolutely amazing. I hired a local videographer to do both the reveal and the intro. Check him out on Instagram, link in the description below. So I'm super hyped on how the whole reveal video turned out. He did an amazing job. It was past my expectations. I did not think it would turn out this good. We put in a lot of work. I think we put in about 6 hours of driving and filming, and then the whole editing process, which is a bunch more time. Wait till you guys see the intro. It's just as good. I'm definitely excited to reveal that as well in the next few videos. Anyhow, there's a lot coming to the channel. We're going to be getting some baseline dyno pulls, going to the drag strip while we're stock, getting wheels, changing things up. I'm definitely interested in where this car is going to be going in the near future. So obviously this is a 10-speed, supercharged. It's got everything done that you can possibly imagine. I believe it's on KW suspension from factory, rebranded Roush, of course. This car is pretty much bolt-on, besides headers and exhaust. It's got a Roush exhaust, active exhaust at that. With the switch of a knob, you can change the exhaust tone. I'll show you guys that in just a minute. Digital dash, navigation, everything. This is the loaded package, and I definitely couldn't be any more hyped about this car. I've been enjoying it for the last week. Obviously, I put over 600 miles on it in a week. That's pretty unheard of. That's usually what I drive in a month. But I guess you could say I've just been enjoying the car, cruising around, having fun, taking the car literally everywhere I possibly can, and having a blast while I'm doing it. Anyhow, let's hear that start up. Let me show you that active exhaust. So this is the Roush banner that I'm talking about. I believe I should get rid of it. Then if we come back here, we have these American flags on both sides. I think we should get rid of that. A lot of people are saying that I should get rid of the stripe and the red accents. I say I should keep it, at least for now. Let me show you that active exhaust. So right here, we have a knob. We just turn it, and let me give it a little rev on. So that's quiet mode. We turn it over. Sounds much better. So with that active exhaust, there's actually a dongle. Let me get it right here. From Roush that you plug into the OBD, and you can connect with an app on your phone. Or bring out my phone. I haven't really messed around with this. Anyhow, Roush app. And it tells you your decibel levels and stuff. And you can customize how the exhaust sounds. I haven't done any of it yet. I will definitely be making a video on it. I'm curious to see how it's going to turn out. Is it going to be louder? Like, how does it change the tone? Anyhow, another thing that I want to do is change up the exhaust. I'm probably going to end up with either a Corsa system or Borla, one or the other. I'm debating between the two. But my question is, and if you guys know the answer, please leave a comment in the comment section below, because I've been asking all the exhaust companies and nobody seems to know. Will the active exhaust system work with the Roush system? Because the Roush system doesn't change with the drive modes like a regular GT would. It changes with a knob. Now, I don't know if it's the standard plug and play like a regular GT, or if Roush has their specific system. I reached out to Roush themselves. I haven't got an answer yet. Hopefully I get an answer within the next coming days so I can get an exhaust ordered and sound a lot better than what we already do. Not that the Roush sounds bad, but I want a deeper tone, and both Corsa and Borla would provide that. I'm just trying to decide what route I want to go between the two. They both sound amazing in my opinion. I'm supposed to meet up with a few of my friends within the next couple of days. One of them has a Roush, one of them has a Corsa, and hopefully get them side by side and make my opinion, or get my opinion from there. And from there we'll be ordering an exhaust. There's a few cosmetic things that I do want to do, like I was saying, and definitely some carbon fiber bits. Carbon fiber steering wheel is definitely on the agenda someday. We got the tint done already. Besides that, after that it's just performance. Factory airbox. Maybe we'll get an expansion tank. Sorry if you can't hear me. Roush blower. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of the reveal. And of course, let me know if you think I made the right decision purchasing this Roush Stage 3 Mustang GT. Obviously, I purchased the vehicle brand new. I think I picked it up with right around 19 miles, just, you know, transport, back and forth to the shop, having it detailed, etc. Picked it up right out of the showroom floor. They wouldn't even let me test drive it because they didn't want to put any more miles on it than what there already was. I got a great deal on it, so I'm definitely excited about my purchase and what's to come for the car. With that being said, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? There's a lot of amazing content coming in the near future. Until next time, I'm checking out.
All units, I got a suspect heading at a high rate speed, heading northbound, black Mustang.
10-4. I think it's from northern. I'm gonna walk that. I'm gonna be leaving a note.